My people, our party jollof rice is done. Who is around? Come in, let's enjoy this party jollof rice, okay? Now, you know what? I'm gonna teach you. For this, I'm using fresh tomatoes and red bell pepper. Blend everything together. After that, you have to cook dry your tomatoes. I have an easy method that will not waste your time. Once it starts boiling, scoop it inside a sieve and take out the excess water. This method will help you a lot so you don't waste time in the kitchen. And it will save you time, save your energy bill, save your gas. Just sieve the water, okay? After that, transfer it back and stir it. Stirring it like that will make it easy to dry up fast. As you can see, it's already dried. Now, bring it down and transfer it into a bowl. Next, party jollof rice without crayfish is incomplete, but note is optional. Crayfish gives party jollof rice a unique taste. You have to grind it. I'm using Scotch bonnet pepper. It's very spicy and it's optional. Now I'm using hen, local chicken. See how it looks like, but it tastes so nice. Then I also use goat meat for this party jollof rice. I use what I have in my fridge. Giving it a fry is another level. But if you don't want any fried food, you can enjoy it like that. Now, I forgot to mention that I'm cooking coconut party jollof rice. That was coconut oil. Frying my onions. Remember, stir frying your onions for a long time brings out the taste more. I added tomato paste. Now adding my already cooked dry tomatoes and red bell pepper. Stir fry this process for a long time so you don't get a sour taste in your jollof rice. It's very important. It took me like 15 minutes to stir fry this. I'm adding scotch bonnet pepper. I added garlic, but I didn't show it here. Now my seasoning are salt, curry, and the paprika. And not seasoning. Add the already ground crayfish. Stir fry everything together. Do you know that stir frying your crayfish is another level? If you haven't tried stir frying crayfish, try it today for your jollof rice. Concentrated coconut milk. I don't have much time to prepare natural one, but this tastes so good. Adding the chicken broth I got from my cooked chicken. Mix it very well. You have to then also test it to see if the ingredients are enough. If in any case you are lacking salt, do not hesitate to add more. I'm using Royal parboiled basmati rice. Here is the brand I'm using. It's so nice for this party jollof rice. You can use any parboiled rice of your choice. Now allow it to steam cook properly. I'm adding a foil to steam it very well because it's a little bit strong. Do not make any mistake to add more water. Adding foil on top of it will make it cook very well, and it will come out with a nice result. Look at what I'm saying. That's the essence of foil. Now my party jollof rice is ready. Are you still gonna say you don't know how to make it? Guys, come and enjoy with us. Remember, if you like this video, mm, please like, share, so other people who don't know how to make authentic jollof rice will see it. Thank you for watching. Bye.